morning everyone and welcome to downtown Los Angeles, California, USA. Today we're going to be taking the A-Line Metro from 7th Street Civic Center here in downtown Los Angeles all the way down to downtown Long Beach. We're going to be heading through some notorious neighborhoods like Compton and Watts, and we're going to be finding out just how scary Metro in Los Angeles can be. Now on the Metro there are regular announcements saying do not advertise your phone, keep it in a safe place. So obviously I've got to be quite covert with the camera. Now the Metro is very cheap here in LA. It's $1.75 for a single journey, and you've got a maximum of $5 no matter how much you ride it per day. But in all honesty, a lot of people still hop the barriers and don't really have anywhere to go. They're just going up and down on a Metro. Some of the unhoused people sleeping, some people with mental health problems just shouting at anyone that will listen, or even if they won't listen. Anyway, that's enough of my yakking. Let's go get the Metro.
Don't try to bring up Diddy when his name popping and shit. You didn't charge Diddy 20 years ago. Damn, look. No, I'm talking about bitches, nigga. I'm talking about bitches, nigga. That's what I'm talking about. Final destination is downtown Long Beach. That's just an example. Thanks for running catch up. For your personal safety, please keep your phone outside the rest of the motherfuckers. Report any issues by calling shit. Hey, look, while we here, why the fuck is all of us? I don't know. LA Metro Transit. I don't know.
Well, we just got turfed off the metro at Anaheim Street, which is about 3 stops from downtown Long Beach, our destination. And the reason they gave was because of police activity. So what happened down at Long Beach, I don't know, but there should be another metro in about 3 minutes apparently to take us to the end of the line.
Stop is First Street Station.
Alright guys, well that wasn't too bad, apart from that guy screaming and shouting. I don't know how many times you can tell people that you don't give a fuck and not seem like you're actually giving a fuck, but there you go. Alright, we're going to have a bit of lunch here in downtown Long Beach and then come back and get back to the city. Alright guys, just had a bit of lunch back at Long Beach downtown station. Let's see how eventful this trip's going to be. Never a dull moment on LA transport.
This train's final destination is APU Citrus College Station in Azusa. Thanks for joining Metro. Eating, drinking, and smoking on Metro trains or stations is not allowed. This is your system, so please don't listen to big ones.
Alright guys, I don't think that was too bad in the end. Apart from the crazy guy on the way out to Long Beach, there wasn't too much trouble. I do think the metro in LA has improved a lot in the last 18 months since I was last in. There's a lot more security presence, armed guards, and there's a lot less delinquents and homeless people sort of straddling the seats everywhere. So yeah, the LA metro has improved significantly, I think. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you again soon.